What's up? What's up? It's your girl Layla Page. Thanks for stopping by my channel. Welcome to my crazy life. Please don't forget to subscribe for updates and notifications. Love ya! For today's adventure, I decided to go to a bird sanctuary. I thought it was going to be amazing. I was so excited. Man, I'm playing this boring music because it was boring. The front entrance of the bird park. I'm so excited. Keep going past this little placey thing. So you got to come up this long road. So keep going all the way to the back. Even when you're not sure, keep going. Parking is this way. Okay. Okay, this is the parking area. It's not paved, it's all natural. Okay. It's quite beautiful and peaceful out here, I tell you that. Very peaceful. Hi, my name is Paige. I called you earlier. I just wanted to let you know that I was here at the property. I didn't know if we just started looking around or. Okay. All right. Thank you. Bye-bye. Okay, Bubs, come on. Okay. So you just go look around. I almost fell off the rock. The gravel might get you. We got canoes. I see bubbles from some kind of fish. Saying this place needed TLC is an understatement, okay? This place was stressing me out. I had so many ideas and so many things that would have brought more birds and more beauty to the land. It was just frustrating. Anyway, if you're watching this, the owner of this property, please do better, okay? Bird sanctuary, not bird prison. Golly. No water. Well, we see the light. Are these street pigeons? Are they pigeons? I'm not a bird connoisseur. Any Oh, those not pigeons. They're something else. Beautiful. Honestly, I see why no one knows about this place. It is nothing to talk about. They had shacks and they didn't even try. Yes, I'm talking noise. It's the truth. Okay? This is my YouTube and I'm gonna keep it real. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to spread love and light. Love, Layla. Oh yeah, I almost forgot. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button for notifications of new videos.